Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you all were waiting about the Paytm SBI credit card review. So I'm here with another video about the review of my Paytm SBI credit card that I have bought or purchased or issued recently. I have uploaded one video over there. I have got a lot of views, so it motivated me to let it dig further a little. So I'm here with another video. Here it is the application Paytm SBI card, as you can see on the screen, and I'm opening it. After that, you can see it is written here SBI card, and after that you have to set up it like just like as a social media. You can make a login ID or whatever, and after logging it you will get like this. The interface will home interface will look, dashboard will look like this. Here you will see like here statement due in the upper part, minimum due amount, latest payment details will show you the amount which you have paid, and the payment date on which date you have paid the amount. So like this, in the below section you are you can see that account status as on 5 of January, like whatever. And below this there is a spend limit is also available. You can see here available credit limit is 15,000, and available cash limit that I can take from the ATM, like ATM store or ATM. I can withdraw that money in a physical from the ATM. Like this is available cash credit limit, and that is online credit limit is 15,000. So I want to describe it a little bit. Like statement due means like whatever amount is like outstanding, like outstanding statement due, like it is not billed, like before the generation of the money, like before the bill generation, the amount is like pending. Minimum due is minimum due, the meaning of minimum due is like the amount which you have to pay, like 4676 amount I have to pay on 27 December 2021. Like this amount I have to pay till the date which is given below. Otherwise I have to give a certain amount of charges or interest or particular fine like this. So this is minimum due is basically the important thing that we have to pay. Like, and current outstanding means whatever the credit card is demanding from you, like you have taken like 12,000 rupees from this card, so it will show you current outstanding, but it will not be billed until your generation cycle completes. Like my generation cycle is my generation cycle completes on 7th of the like every month. So when the 7th of the every month comes, the whatever transaction I have done, whatever money of amount of money I have taken from the Paytm SBI card, that will be generated in the form of bill, and they will give me a certain period of time like 20 days. It gives me 20 days, like 27 till 27 I have to pay the minimum amount which is required. I have to pay, and you can convert those amount into EMI also. There's also a lot of options are also available. Like here you can see account details, like you can get card statements, like what were these previous balance, whatever amount due, whatever minimum amount due, what is due date, everything is written. There's no like you can pay this credit amount by Amazon Pay, Phone Pay, Google Pay. You have to just enter your credit data, like ATM card number, CVV, and whatever expiry date over here, over written over it. So like this you can pay your credit balance. You can get here transaction history is like your account. This is your payment history. You can see like I have paid whatever I debited, credited. I can get my reward points summary, but my rewards have I have got in my Paytm account. I can show you. Here is spend analyzer, where you have spent your money, like for the like credit card. Like it will show me how much I have spent, like 12,476 I have spent on e-commerce. Like these are showing me. And a lot of options are also available here. You can manage your card uses, like you want to limit your card, like I will do only domestic transaction, I will do only online, then you can choose online POS transactions, ATM transaction. You can turn off these transaction for the safety purpose. You can block your card. You can block your card by clicking here, that I have stolen my card, like this. You can do a lot of things. Like here there are a lot of options over there, like you can reissue your card, there will be certain charges. So like this, here's a ila here to help you. It will assist you by to like guide you how do you payment. Like I am seeing here, view my statement. It will show my statement, like total amount due, current outstanding amount is, what is my current outstanding amount, 12,000. Minimum amount I have to pay till the 27th of December 2021, like this. It will show me details. You can detailed also get detailed transactions, like whatever transaction you have done in recent days, that will show you. This is my like EMI. This is interest on my EMI. Whatever EMI I have taken from the, like I have taken this EMI, I have taken a phone of Samsung phone over e-commerce, and for that every month he has taken 49 rupees EMI interest. So there will be something written over it. This is the complete review, I can say. If you want to know something else about this card, then you can comment below and I'll tell you whatever will be the like problem. I'll explain it in a better way in another video.